GIT workflow for DevOps teams. What is a GIT workflow for DevOps teams? A GIT workflow for DevOps teams is the structured process used to manage application code, infrastructure code, and deployment pipelines safely using GIT. It defines how features are developed, how infrastructure changes are made, how deployments are triggered, how production systems are protected, why it matters for DevOps. Code and infrastructure are connected. Deployments happen frequently. Automation depends on GIT. One mistake can break production. So workflow equals automation plus reliability plus safe deployments. Why DevOps teams need a proper GIT workflow? DevOps teams usually work with application code, infrastructure as code, Terraform, CloudFormation, CI, CD pipelines, Docker and Kubernetes configs, monitoring and scripts. Without workflow, cross-mark broken deployments, cross-mark production outages, cross-mark conflicting infrastructure changes, cross-mark rollback failures, cross-mark manual hotfix chaos. With workflow, check mark stable pipelines, check mark predictable releases, check mark safer infrastructure changes, check mark easier rollbacks, check mark better collaboration. Typical branch structure for DevOps teams. Common structure. Main means production system. Develop means integration branch. Feature branches means new features. Infra branches means infrastructure changes. Release branches means deployment preparation. Hotfix branches means urgent fixes. Example: main, develop, feature, login API, infra, AWS network. Release, version 3.2.0. Hotfix, K8's config. Why? Protects production, separates infra and app changes, supports parallel work. Feature branch workflow. DevOps teams. For each change, create branch from develop. Implement feature or config change. Update infrastructure code. If needed. Test locally. Commit changes. Push branch. Open pull request. Review and merge into develop. Why? Isolates risky changes. Prevents breaking pipelines. Enables review. Bad practice. Cross-mark commit directly to main. Cross-mark change infra without review. Good practice. Check mark one change per branch. Check mark mandatory pull requests. Pull requests in DevOps projects. PRs are used to review app code, review infrastructure changes, validate pipelines, run automated tests, check security rules. PR should include check mark clear description, check mark linked ticket, check mark deployment impact notes, check mark rollback plan. Why? Prevents outages, documents changes, improves reliability. Bad PR. Cross mark no description, cross mark untested pipeline changes, cross mark huge config edits. Commit strategy for DevOps teams. Commits should be small, atomic, descriptive, good commit messages, add auto-scaling to API service, fix CI pipeline timeout issue, update Terraform VPC config, bad commit messages, update, fix, final. Why? Easier rollback, easier debugging, clean history, daily workflow in DevOps teams. Typical flow. Pull latest develop, create feature or infra branch, write code or config, test pipelines, commit changes, push branch, create PR, review and merge. Why? Prevents conflicts, keeps infra stable, keeps pipelines reliable. Hotfix workflow for DevOps teams. When production breaks, create hotfix branch from main, fix issue, test deployment, create PR, merge into main, merge into develop. Why? Fast recovery, keeps branches aligned, Prevents repeated failures. Example: hotfix, load balancer config. Release strategy for DevOps teams. Releases should be automated, versioned, auditable. Good approach. Create release branch. Freeze changes. Run pipeline. Deploy to staging. Deploy to production. Tag version. Example: release, version 6.1.0. Why? Safer deployments. Easy rollback. Clear history. Code review culture. DevOps teams. Review focuses on deployment logic, security rules, infrastructure impact, monitoring changes, rollback strategy, not personal opinions, blame, style wars. Why? Fewer outages, better automation, shared responsibility, CI/CD in DevOps workflow. Automation should run unit tests, run integration tests, build containers, apply infrastructure changes, deploy automatically on every PR, run pipeline, run security scans, validate configs. Why? Prevents broken systems, saves time, builds trust. Tools: GitHub Actions, GitLab CI, Jenkins, Azure DevOps. Common DevOps GIT mistakes: direct commits to main, no review of infra code, no rollback plan, huge PRs, no version tags. Why? High outage risk, hard debugging, poor audit trail, naming conventions, branches, feature, API timeout, infra, Terraform network, release, version 3.4.0, hotfix, Docker failure, commits, add, fix, update, refactor. Example: fix Kubernetes memory limit bug. Why? Easy tracking, professional history, easy auditing. How GIT workflow helps DevOps teams scale. As systems grow, more services, more pipelines, more risk. Good workflow. Check mark keeps deployments reliable. Check mark improves onboarding. Check mark reduces outages. Check mark controls complexity. Real life analogy: DevOps GIT workflow is like air traffic control. Without system, crashes. With system, safe flights. Branches equals flight paths. PRs equals safety checks. Main equals destination. In simple words, DevOps GIT workflow means automate everything, review carefully, deploy safely, track changes. Best strategy for DevOps teams: use check mark feature branches, check mark infra branches, check mark release branches, check mark mandatory PRs, check mark carbon monoxide CD automation, check mark protected main branch. Avoid cross mark direct main commits, cross mark no testing, cross mark no reviews. In DevOps systems, every change affects production. A good GIT workflow: check mark protects systems, check mark supports automation, check mark reduces downtime, check mark builds trust.